Let's listen. Oh, there was more lightning over there. It's starting to rain. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look how big they are, Lizzie. They're huge. Put your hand next to one. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's more lightning over there.
What if it gets dropped?
Yeah, I don't know if we're supposed to stay away from trees or stand under trees.
Oh, you're supposed to be away.
We just got a severe weather storm warning on my phone. Okay, I want to get the lightning. You think we'll get the lightning?
Yeah, I think we should be inside, Mommy.
One more and then we'll go inside.
I bet people are still on the road.
Yeah, people probably driving.
Ow, that hurt.
What?
Somebody just hit me.
You get struck by lightning? No, I'm teasing. Oh, there it was. Did you see that? That wasn't as big. It kind of missed us, didn't it?
It was like right here. The lightning was right here.
It seemed really close.
It was right here.
It was right there.
Mark.
That might be a firework.
Right here. I think there's any more.
There's gotta be more. We're just patient. We're not
Can I
gonna
go to
be.
Aaron?
Just stay here.
Oh my
Ooh,
God,
there
there
it
it
was. How cool was that?
Mama.
It's fine. Now it's gonna be the boom. Step back. Step back. Yee. Did I step on your toe?
This is never
Well, look, the sky is blue right there, so we're on like the outskirts of the storm.
Okay, I think we should go in now. Yeah, we should go in, Mommy.
You ready to go in?
Yeah, I'm getting scared. I'm getting scared.
Okay, it's just rain, love. Let's go in. Dangerous rain.
Mama, save me.
Ow! Was that hail? Getting hurt by the rain. Look at the raindrops. Ow!
Oh, the scooter.
Yep, I don't know who put the scooter out. We're gonna leave it there. Nope. I don't think lightning went in your eye, love bug. Yeah?
It's really dangerous.
Oh, ooh, that was a good one. Did you see it?
No.
Yeah, the storm's kind of moved over there now. Because it was over there, but that almost looks like blue sky now, huh?
Did you have to stay out here all night?
No.
Hope Sophie stays okay.
Yeah.
Is my eye red?
No.
That hurts. I got rain in it.
You did. Let's go to this tree. Yeah, the storm's moving away from us now.
Oh, there's this one right
Yeah,
there.
did you see it?
She's the same dress as me.
Yeah.
They're Target.
Ooh. Just wait for the boom. This is fun because we don't normally get storms like this.
We don't get killed.
No, Lizzie, stop. Yeah. Look, the sky's beautiful up there.
The clouds are moving really fast.
Yeah, it's moving on. Ooh, do you see the lightning? It's behind the clouds.
Oh, it hurts.
The raindrops. I think there might have been a little bit of hail in there because when it hit me right here on the chest, ooh, it didn't feel good.
Your car will be ruined.
No, but other places, hail does ruin cars.
Ow, my feet. They're not trees.
No, well, it shouldn't. Ooh,
Okay, I'm already going. I'm getting scared.
I got you.
I'm scared.
Okay, let's go in. One more boom?
No, you already said one.
I know I did. Look at those raindrops.
I'm
Isn't
scared.
that crazy?
Ow.
Yeah, I think there was some hail when it first started, huh?
Ow.
All right. Love you.
Love you.